Here's the Amazfit GTS 3, and you have an issue where you have a black screen where the screen just will not turn on. However, you know that the watch is on. Maybe you can feel it vibrate or hearing text messages come in or any other kind of notifications. Now, I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now, but just note that this one here is fixed. But let's pretend that I have a black screen here. Now, the first thing is if you don't know if your watch is on or not, and you have it paired to your Zepp app, what we can do is just go into the Zepp app, and then on the bottom right hand side is profile. Tap on profile, and then from here we're going to tap on under my devices, Amazfit GTS 3. Tap on that, and then go ahead and go down to where it says find watch. Now once you tap on this, you should hear your phone, your watch vibrate. As you can see, okay, it doesn't matter if you have a black screen. If you're paired still to the Zepp app, you should still feel it vibrate. Also note that if your watch is charging, or it's on your charger, and you try to find your watch, it's not going to work, okay? It needs to be off the charger, okay? Anyway, let's pretend I have a black screen here, even though that I know the watch is on. So the first thing we're going to do is this. You have the dial button right here. What I want to do is press and hold for 15 seconds, then let go. We're going to do this together. Let's pretend my phone or my watch here is black. Here's the dial button. Press and hold 15 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This just pretend my phone is still black. Just keep holding on to that dial button. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go ahead and let go, and it should restart. I just felt it vibrate, and it should restart automatically, and hopefully you are up and running, okay? If you still see a black screen and you didn't feel it vibrate, maybe it didn't turn on, just press the dial button again to turn it on, okay? Hopefully you guys are up and running now. If you guys are still down, then we're going to go to possible step number 2. So step number 2 is go ahead and grab your charger. What we're going to do is give it a little charge. Okay, and you can see that it's charging right now. Now let's pretend that my phone is, or my watch here is black screen. And from here, same thing. We're going to press and hold this button for 15 seconds while it is charging, okay? So we'll do it together. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Pretend my screen here is black. Don't worry about what's on the screen. Just keep counting to 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then let go. And I just felt it vibrate. And it should be turning back on. There you go. If it doesn't turn on, or you don't hear it vibrate, just go ahead and tap the button again. Okay, now hopefully you are up and running. If not, we're going to go to step number 3. Step number 3 here. Let's go ahead and pretend that my screen here is black. What I want you to do is this. I want you to hold your watch like this, and what I want you to do is massage the screen all over. Press in. As I'm doing the front of the screen, I'm also doing the back. Just keep pressing, because sometimes you might have something slightly dislodged, and by doing this you can simply just pop it back into place and your screen will turn on automatically. Okay, so just keep doing this, just hard. You want to go in, nice hard massage. Okay, sometimes you're doing this, the screen will turn on. Okay, if it stays black, no problem, just keep on doing this for a while. Okay, let's stop. Let's pretend my screen here is still black, and then from here we're going to do the same thing with the side dial button. Okay, 15 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about what's on my screen. Let's pretend my screen is totally black. I'm still holding on to that dial button. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go ahead and let go. Vibrate it. Now it's turning back on. And if it doesn't turn on, you can go ahead and try to press the side button, see if it turns on. Okay. Anyway, if you still have a black screen, we're going to go to the next possible solution. Okay, so this is the last step I have for you, and a lot of times this will work as well, okay? So pretend that my watch here has a black screen. What I want you to do is grab your watch just like this. I want you to go to your freezer, okay? Put this in your freezer just like this, where it's nice and cold, and leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, go back to your freezer, take out your watch, see if your screen is on. If it's still black, then from here, same thing. We're going to press and hold this button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and let go. And hopefully now you guys are up and running. Now the thing is, if you still have a black screen after going through these 4 steps, and what I want you to do is start from the very beginning, step 1. Try step 1 again. 2, 3, 4. It doesn't work, still black screen, then try it 6 more times. Try it at least 7 times, okay? Anyway, if you tried all the steps at least 7 times, I'm going to say at least 70% of you guys should be up and running, okay? So if this worked for you, comment below which step worked for you so others can see. And if it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should see at least a 70% ratio thumbs up, all right? Good luck, guys.